Alright guys, just a quick video on how to enter in statistics into your calculator and then get the standard deviation out. So the first thing you need to do is go to mode, and then you want the stats mode, so number 3. Now in this particular case we're going to be dealing with one variable, so that's just number 1. Okay, and it'll bring up this. Okay. Now that's just to enter in lots of single pieces of data. If you have data that is repeated, that is it has a frequency, if you go to shift setup and you go down to, you go to shift setup will give you this. If you hit down and then 4, statistics, it'll ask you if you want to put frequency on, we do, so press number 1, and now we have a frequency column as well. So if you enter in your data here, so we'll just enter in some pretty basic data, 1 equals 2 equals 3 equals. Notice it automatically makes the frequency 1, which you can change if you want. I'm going to have a couple more 2s, and then I'm going to have 5. I'm going to have 5 3s. Oh, there we go. Awesome. So once that data is entered in, okay, then you want to hit that button there just to bring you back to here, and this is where you can bring up any of the stats you need. So if you go to shift and STAT, stat, it'll bring up all the things you can do. So we want the variables of this data, so we want number 4, and it'll give you N, which is the number of scores, X hat there, which is the average, and then the 2 that we want. The population standard deviation, which is this one, and the sample standard deviation. Now, for us, we're almost always going to have the population standard deviation, so we want this one. So if you hit number 3, and then just equals, and it will give you the standard deviation of what you need. And that's it. So you can use this method for finding the average, finding the number of terms, or the standard deviation, and this can be assessed. Thanks, guys.